besties.
Bestie.
We're both huge fans of BECCA. We know that the formulas are amazing. Quality and what BECCA stands behind is something that we really want to be a part of. We both offer a highlighter, 2 blushes, and a bronzer. I do have an obsession with photo filters. I wanted to create something that gave you that photo filter finish. The formulas are amazing. They're light and soft, and it feels like nothing is on your skin. When I put this on, I feel sexy. It's my dream. And this lipstick is just so soft and moisturizing.
The best nude ever.
Look at our BECCA BFF Glow Letters, the never seen before highlighter.
We included 2 shades in one, a golden shade and a chocolate shade. When swirled together, they create the most delicious bronze.
What's really beautiful about our relationship is that people can relate to us, and we hope that people love the product that we've given so they can share it with their BFF.